Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to say about the topic data visualizing. Visualizing a single number. Visualizing a single number to communicate with the less numerate viewers or the leaders. Next point, infographics or the dashboards are commonly used one important number. And third point, to attract the attention of distracted or the busy viewers or the readers. Fourth one, to add some humanity or color to create an emotional connection or to increase the redundancy of the presentations. Here we have some of the options. First one, the standard text formatting, that is font size and the style. First one, sometimes the plain text is the best options. May make fonts big and small, simple, so they stand out. Second option is the informative formatting, that is colors, bolding, emphasize and other formatting options can be used to draw the attention to figures and to communicate the additional information. Here we have the examples. Next one, option third is the pie chart. Proportions are often illustrated. Use the pie charts with varying degrees of success, and they can be particularly elegant for displaying the single numbers that are proportions. Fourth option is the donut chart. Similarly with the donut chart, it is just of taste. Here we have the example of the donut chart. Fourth option is the portion of an image. The two category pie chart and the donut chart are the special cases of a more general strategy, which is to show the portion of the image. Here we have the example. Eaten cake is 20% and the cake is remaining about the 80%. Next option is to describe as overlaid images. The twist on showing a portion of an image is to proportionally color an image. Here we have the example, that is in the Coca-Cola we have the Pepsi 35% of the market share. Next option is the countable pictographs. While all pictographs have a bad reputation, in the case of countable pictographs it is quite undeserved. Countable pictographs achieve redundancy and thus likely improve the accuracy with which the underlying data is understood by the viewer. Here we have the example, that is 4.5. So we represent it as a 4 full man picture and the remaining half. Next option is an uncountable pictographs. The goal of an uncountable pictograph is to suggest in the graphical way. That is one big. It is often most useful when next to the comparable countable pictographs. Here we have the examples. Next option, dials, gauges and the thermometers. The data is from the study by the Pew Research Center. We will go to the original report for the better visualization, which uses a thermometer. Here we have the example images. Next one, physical representation. For physical representation, we have the example images. Here they describe about that red poppies. This is photo from the Guardian shows. 8,88,246 ceramic red poppies installed around the Tower of London. Each poppy represents the British or the colonial servicemen killed in the World War I. It is the same basic idea as uncountable pictographs, but on the much grander scale. Option 11 is an artwork and the graphic design. Using artwork or the graphic design to represent a single number in a creative or the artist way. Here we have the example. 6 is represented as in a different ways. This is one of the option to represent the number. Next option is the 12th one, evocative collages. And finally, the most common of all approaches in marketing reporting is to find an images or that in some way to represent or evoke something relevant to the number. That is Coca-Cola. Here we have the example images. Coca-Cola 57% market share is described here. Thank you.